Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys if you want to create a new games folder in Steam for future games. I'm going to show you guys how to create a new folder location. So if you want to save your games to perhaps an external or second hard drive, if you're having storage issues and you want to expand and you have another hard drive installed, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you're going to select the Steam tab up at the top left and then go down and select Settings. On the left side of this new window, select Downloads. And now on the right side, you want to go and select where it says Steam Library Folders up at the top. And now you want to go and select the three-dotted icon next to the file or folder directory here. So you want to select the little plus sign next to whatever drive is currently selected here. And then you would select a new Steam library folder, whether it's on this hard drive or on a different drive. You would just go ahead and select it from here. And you would select the select button, and the new Steam library folder must be empty. So you'd have to go ahead and select the other drive here. You'd select the select button, and if you had to create a new folder, you could do that. And then you have the option to just save new programs to that folder, and that'd be the new Steam library manager. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.